are here at Judith Fancy. It's a community in Croix. It's beautiful and it's huge. They have security, and a friend of mine will come and pick me up because it's the only way you have access to it. And they have, imagine how many people live here, right? And they have security, and I'm getting the, oh, here's mine. And I'm getting the solar panels. Nice houses. Really nice, fancy houses. They have like HOA here. They have community standards, so it's pretty nice. How cool the houses are. Damn, it's amazing. And they have the view of the bay, so it's a really nice place. Really, really nice. I just don't like the idea of paying for, oh, look at that. They have the view of the ocean. Paying like to be controlled by HOAs and stuff like that, but at the same time you have like better standards. This is a ruin that is preserved, like a mill, sugar mill, like the other one in the back. So you have security, you have safety, you have trash, you have utilities. I think electricity for sure, not sure about, probably they have water too. Maybe they even have sewage, I'm guessing. Maybe not, but they definitely have trash service, which is great. And the houses are amazing. Look at the view, man. Look at the view. It's gorgeous. It's fantastic. Wow. It's nice sometimes when you're too close to the ocean, you don't see the beauty of it. Like our land is right at the beach, and you don't see like a bigger landscape like you see here. So two different approaches. Here you have view, there you have the ocean itself. Both are great. I still prefer the beachfront, just to say I have a beachfront. We are even testing this stuff. Yeah. 43 volts. Everything working. Good. I wish I could buy more actually. Judith's Fancy. But Mike is actually taking the solar panels for me because they are too huge. Then the solar panels are $350. For the first time our car gave me the engine line of death. I don't know, it's because I filled up the tank with that more powerful gasoline. Really don't know if, like, you know, that high octane gasoline, I don't know. Or if it's something else. Oh shit. I need to bring those huge panels. They're not small, as you can see here. They're huge. Up there would be a pain. And these little creatures here got me so bad. I'm sure those, my god, they beat all over my feet, plus the splinters. One more. What the hell? Shit, today's not my day. These little creatures F me up. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Oh, I did it. Two of them. They're huge. Done. Whew. Got all for that. Nice view, right? I'm gonna shave today. Everything seems to be okay for now. You see there?